With the nearly 75% pump in Bitcoin from the beginning of the year, the first quarter of 2023 has been booming, and Web3 gaming has been no different. There has been a lot of new projects coming to light, a lot of projects starting to release new demos, new gameplay, and it's a super exciting time to say the least. What's going on? The theAPEcoach from Six-Pack Gaming, where we bring you the best Web3 NFT games. Be sure to smash that thumbs up button, make sure you subscribe and got notifications turned on, and let's dive right into this. We are talking about Perplay today. Think of STEPN meets Steam meets mobile games, where you have a library of games, built right within the sort of marketplace on the app. And then games that are outside of the marketplace, you can add in with just, their code. You can import them into your Steam library. Same sort of thing with Perplay here. Now take that and kind of mesh that with the model of STEPN. Okay, but instead of earning rewards and tokens and things for taking steps, you actually earn rewards for playing mobile games. And that can be any mobile games that are on the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. They can be, Web3 games or traditional Web2 games. If you're already playing mobile games, this is a way that you may be able to earn some rewards for your time playing those games, whether the Web3 or not. Such a very unique and cool concept, and we're gonna dive into it and tell you a little bit more about it. I think the easiest way to kind of showcase this to you, I'm not gonna read through the entire white paper here. If you're wanting to do that, I'll have all the links in the description below. You can go through, do your own research on it, but I'll kind of give you the Cole's notes of things and point out the most important aspects. So you can see what the mobile app here is going to look like. Their NFTs are going to be these cars. You're going to be able to like soup them up. They're going to have different stats that are going to affect your earnings potential, all that sort of stuff. But essentially you're going to get the Perplay app on one of the app stores. You're going to either search the games that are already on the platform, or you'll be able to import your any traditional mobile games into the platform, and then it is able to track your time playing those mobile games. Kind of an overview of the NFTs. There's going to be different power levels of them. There's going to be different types of vehicles, right? You got SUVs, you've got off-road big trucks, you got sedans, you got sports cars, all that cool stuff. Different looks and that you're going to be able to customize their paint, get special parts for your cars. They're going to have different stats, so speed, luck, energy, durability. This is going to affect the speed that you're earning rewards tokens, and then there's going to be different grades as well. So normal, rare, elite, epic, ultimate. So they're going to have all these different sort of classes of vehicles, and you're going to be able to level these things up, which is going to improve your potential earnings rate. There's going to be different things that you can boost different stats on your cars, and there's going to be a condition too as well. So there's going to be a lot of different gamification aspects to this, a lot of essentially like token sinks and utility use cases, in addition to the different stats for the NFTs and these consumable items and stuff. You can see there's different restoration parts, level up parts, all these sort of things to soup up your car. They also have this, what they call breeding. I think it needs a different name because it doesn't really make sense in my mind to be breeding cars, right? They can't breed, but essentially you have this car replicating process. If you take two cars, you can make an additional third one. They also have, which is good, they have sort of a an NFT burning mechanism put in place as well, and it is an evolution. So you can take a bunch of kind of crappy common cars or whatever, and you can merge them all together, make this ultra mega transformer, and perhaps upgrade it to a rare or the higher class. So you're going to be able to level up your cars. You're going to be able to evolve them and increase their rarity. You're going to be able to sort of soup them up with gems and these different car parts and stuff. So it's all sort of around this car theme. That kind of gives you the gist of everything with this. You get your NFT car, you get the Perplay app, and you play mobile games on your phone, and you have the ability to earn tokens as a reward. All right, now it is a dual token model, so similar to something like STEPN, like Peg Axie or Axie Infinity. There's this dual token model with the governance token and the in-game utility token. Now, personally, I'm not a huge fan of this. However, if the XPR token is, not an on-chain token and it's just the per token as the the governance token and the only token on chain, I think that makes a lot more sense. But that is sort of yet to be seen, right? This is very, very early stages of development, so we will see how this sort of plays out. But essentially, yeah, it's a dual token system, very similar to something like STEPN. And again, that is also why I'm bringing it to you while it is in these earliest development stages. Not financial advice, right? Not at all. Not a financial advisor, not telling you whether to buy or not, but just pointing out that the greatest potential opportunities are often if you're able to get the earliest in on these projects, and then the more sustainable they become, the longer they last, then all the better for you, right? I actually really like their site. It's nice and like interactive. It's got really nice clean design. It's really well put together. But you have storm through the gaming multiverse with NFTs made just for you, and you got all these different vehicles and that you can kind of look through. We got a big monster truck with an ape there. Hey, hit me up with that there, Perplay. You've got these race cars and stuff, so the overall look is really solid in my mind. Like, this actually looks really, really clean, the app development and stuff, so the UI, so it'll be exciting to see how it all comes together. The team is primarily based in Korea. They also have some Southeast Asian members, but I had met with Jun Kim here, a few of these on like the marketing side as well, Cha here, Bessie, May as well, so a few of them on the team. They had reached out, and like I said, it seemed like a really interesting project. It's a pretty big team here, and it's something unique, right? It's something that we haven't really seen yet in the space. The closest thing I think is STEPN. There is a actual useful tip here in the FAQ. Users can equip Perplay NFT items and select any game they want to play and play that game. If users play a selected premium game from certain developers, they can get even more benefits. Perplay consists of systems where users who haven't bought NFTs can still enjoy playing and will be updated considering the play value of all games. So one of the cool ways that they're able to actually help support the project and monetize, and that is they could basically have game developers essentially pay like a display ad fee, right, to have them as a premium game in the platform, or like a featured game that users can earn more for playing those particular titles. So that's actually a way for them to market to other brand partners and other game developers, whether Web 2 or Web 3, and be able to essentially offer almost like a billboard spot in their platform. Another key thing from the FAQ here on Perplay. So Perplay is using the Hava blockchain, which is a newer blockchain. I personally don't know a ton about it. I know it's like a newer blockchain that just recently launched. I also think it is a Korean team kind of developing that blockchain as well, but it has some really cool features about like interoperability and being able to utilize your NFTs from like all these different chains like Polygon and Solana and like all that sort of stuff, all on the Hava blockchain. So yeah, that is just something to note as well. Just wanted to point that out because it's not, I don't think, at least a very commonly known blockchain. Is quite new, so wanted to make sure you guys knew about that. Now, the last thing here, we have the big Genesis sale coming up. So there's the OG sale for, they're going to be basically doing mystery boxes, so you've got a variety of chance of getting rares or elites or whatever. So 70% normal, 28% rare, 2% elite. Here is the minting schedule. So you've got the first round is the OG, so anyone who's an OG in their community who's already been a part of it. April 18th they get the first dibs. There's going to be 1,300 there, max 3 per wallet, and a price of 180 USD in Matic. The second round is for whitelist members. All right, so 5 of you are going to have a chance of winning a free whitelist spot to be able to take part in this one. So this is April 19th at 11 UTC. There's going to be 2911 of those. Again, it is 3. Oh, this is 3 per transaction, but 50 per wallet. So if you're whitelisted, you could scoop up a boatload of these things. The price of those is going to be $190 worth of Matic for that, and then the public mint is 3.5 hours later at 2:30 for any remaining quantities here. 10 per transaction, max 50 per wallet at a price of 200 USD worth of Matic. Okay, so if you're getting the whitelist, you get to mint first and you get $10 savings. Now, in order to have a chance of winning one of these free whitelist spots, okay, we're going to be giving away 5 here. It is very easy. All you have to do is smash the thumbs up button on this video. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Then you are going to drop a follow on Perplay's Twitter. Drop a follow on my Twitter. I will have all these links down in the description below. And then make sure you click the link on the Twitter here or in the description below and join up in the Six-Pack Gaming Discord. That way we'll be able to get in touch with you and hook you up if you happen to win one of those free whitelist spots. It is that easy. So there you have it. Perplay, play to make the world a better place. Let me know your thoughts. Be sure to smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe and got notifications turned on. We've got a lot of new projects, a lot of great opportunities coming your way, but let me know your thoughts. Leave a comment down below if you're excited about Perplay, if you think this an interesting, unique model, or if you don't, whatever, let me know in the comments down below. Smash the thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, we will see you in the next one. Until next time, train hard and game hard. Keep making those life-changing gains. We'll see you next time. Peace.